Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the phone. Backup user data because this method alters system settings. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so commands reach the device. Next, connect to your computer and verify with the DB devices. If the device fails to appear, recheck drivers. You are starting system-level changes immediately, so confirm battery is above 50% and you have a working cable. That prevents mid-process failures and explains why these prerequisites matter. You now change the system UI configuration. Run a DB shell commands to modify night mode flags in settings. Secure or the UI mode manager. This forces the system theme to dark. If the phone requires, push a modified system UI dump and then reboot system UI or the phone. Rooted devices allow SU, while unrooted methods rely on a DB permissions. Make sure to check settings display afterwards to verify the applied theme, because proper verification catches partial or app-specific failures early. Finish by rebooting the device and testing a range of apps to ensure dark mode applied consistently. Some apps need separate toggles. If you see glitches, clear system UI and app caches, then reboot again. This often resolves rendering issues. If problems persist, revert using your recorded commands or restore the backup. A factory reset is the last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone becomes unstable, boot to recovery and restore the backup immediately to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.